It is time to assemble a dump truck. First, let's take a truck frame. Next comes gas tank. And hydraulic reservoir. Then let's put the wheels. And the front fenders. A hoist cylinder. Mufflers. A little ladder and a bumper. Now let's install an open box bed. A seat for the driver, steering wheel, instrument panel, engine and grille. Then we will put cab, a door and a window, cab protection and an exhaust pipe, marker lights, tail lights and headlights. Finally, our dump truck is ready. The dump truck is used for transporting heavy materials for dumping them. Heavy materials like circles of blue, red and green. Then squares of purple, orange, blue and yellow. And triangles of red, blue, pink, green and violet. Work is done. Bye! Do you know what it is? It is a car carrier trailer, known also as an auto transporter. It consists of a frame, wheels, gas tank, seat, steering wheel, engine, front fender, a cab, a muffler, a little ladder to get in, bumper, grille, cab protector, an exhaust pipe, and lights to see in the dark. And as we said, it is used to transport cars. A car like this one consists of a frame, front and rear wheels, a seat for our driver, a steering wheel, body, a roof, a door, a bumper. As all cars do, it also has to have windows and windshield, back and front lights, mufflers, a hood, and where can we go without an engine? The car is ready to go. Auto transporters are designed to efficiently transport passenger vehicles via truck. We can use our open auto transporter for loading and offloading cars. Hello, can you guess what we're going to build today? A tractor. Tractors have wheels of two different sizes, small front wheels and rear big wheels. A cab, a hood to protect the engine, rear and front fenders, ladder, mufflers and an exhaust pipe. A tractor is a powerful motor vehicle. Most commonly, it is used in construction and agriculture. By attaching the ripper to the tractor, we'll plough the land and prepare it for growing crops. a little bit of water, a little bit of sun, the work is done. Will you help me with the harvest? Here also we'll use a tractor to harvest the crop. Wheat is a very important plant. This grain is ground to make flour for bread, cakes, bagels, biscuits and pasta. Do you want to take part in a car racing? It is a race car that can run very fast. Hurry up, let's complete the race car. Start from the frame. Then add wheels, a seat, a steering wheel to control the car properly, then the body and the roof of our racing car. Attach a door. A bumper. Windows, and don't forget the lights. Hood and engine. Ready? Let's give it a try. Our pink car is going to race with the green and orange cars. Soon we will find out who is the fastest. Cars at the ready. Go! Look, the orange car is leading. Now the green car is in the lead. Now the last lap of the race. Yes! The pink car is the winner. That was an unpredictable race. Kids, today we are going to put together an excavator. Let's start with a frame, then let's attach the driver's cab. This is the boom. Now we add the arm and the bucket. Counterweight, engine and the trucks. The excavator is ready. The excavator is a very important machine. It's used for digging trenches, holes and foundations. The large, powerful arm is operated by a hydraulic system to dig and transfer large amounts of dirt in the bucket. Now we'll transfer the fertiliser with the help of a dump truck. We'll add it to the soil to increase the fertility. It is very essential for the growth of plants. Some water and soon we'll see the result. Here is the result. Ripe, red, delicious apples. I can't wait to try them. What about you? Oh, wait a minute, we can't leave them here. Where are you, excavator? Dump truck? Help us to take the apples to the store. Look, there are other fruit and vegetables here too. Hello! For assembling a monster truck, first of all we need a frame. Now let's attach the shocks on both the rear and front suspension. Then put on the wheels, a seat for a driver, a steering wheel to control the car, a cab, a door and a rear fender. Now let's put on the rest of the parts of the truck, an exhaust pipe, a bumper, mufflers, grille, windows and windshield. This is an assembled monster truck. It can run long, dangerous miles. It can jump, do backflips, smash cars, go through stony and muddy places. And sometimes it can get dirty as well. What can we do? You don't mind to clean it up, do you? Let's use a car washing soapy sponge and then rinse it with water. Here it is, clean again.